Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe we're making some sticky blood orange wings. My secret ingredient for this is the new blood orange chill from Angostura. So if you guys would like to see how to make this amazing recipe, stay tuned. So to make this recipe, I have my chicken wings already washed and cleaned, and we're going to season that with salt. Next, I'm going to go in with my citrus blend. Now this is one of the main ingredients, and complete seasoning. And of course, you can find a full list of measurements in the description box. In goes paprika, lemon pepper, and I'm going to give that a good mix. You want to mix in all of those seasonings, massage it well into the chicken. Once it's been mixed in, we're going to go ahead and pour in our bottle of Angostura chill. And now I'm going to go in with what's going to make it sticky, the sweet chili sauce. And if you guys wanted to add some brown sugar to this for it to be extra sweet and extra sticky, you can. Give that a mix, and we're going to allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes, or you can leave this overnight in your refrigerator. Once it's finished marinating, we're going to pour it out into a big baking dish. And I'm just going to spread that out evenly. And then we're going to place this in our big green egg, or you can use your oven or a regular grill. And we're going to let this cook open for 20 minutes. So we're gonna leave it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for that 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll go in and I'll check the wings and give it a turn. Make sure that it's cooking in that delicious sauce. See how amazing it looks? It's going to absorb all of that marinade. Hence the reason why we're doing it this way. Now, if your wings are really small, do not cook it for 20 minutes because it will be overcooked. This is the next 10 minutes, and at this point I'm going to take it out and I'm just going to set that aside, and I'm going to transfer the wings back onto the grate. Now we're going to add that charred flavor and that char onto the wings itself. At this point, it would not take very long because it already cooked for that 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm reducing the sauce that was left over. This is just the marinade, till it's nice and thick. That's the consistency you're going for. And so once the wing starts to char, you want to flip them over. And take your sauce and brush it liberally on those wings. And you're going to do this for both sides. So once you finish baste one side, you will flip the wings over again and then baste the other side. And once you've done that, your wings would be ready to be served. This was super easy, simple, and delicious. And remember, if you don't have a grill, you could always do this in your oven the same way. You cook it in the marinade and then you remove it onto a rack. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you make it, comment down below and let me know. The Angostura is available at Produce City, BDC, Quince, Premium Quality Meats, all of your local restaurants here in Florida. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.